This company wants me to lie to you and tell you that this product is awesome, even though it sucks. That's wrong. Absolutely wrong and unethical, and I do not conduct reviews that way. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to talk about a shady company that I'm a little upset about doing this video because I wasn't expecting this to happen. So there's a company out there called Dopesplay. They make external remote monitors, okay? So it seems to be, and this is more of a warning video, stay clear of this company because it seems like their business thought process and their business plan and the way they conduct their business is fake, meaning it could be a scam, meaning that when you go to the website, it Dopesplay, D-O-P-E-S-P-L-A-Y, Dopesplay, the reviews you can't read. None of their reviews, it has star rating and it says, 23 reviews or 25 reviews. You can't click on it to read. If you want me to review a product, you send it to me. I conduct a review. If it's good, if bad, indifferent or whatever, and that's the end of it. Well, you didn't give us what we wanted, so you don't get a refund. I mean, that's like, wait a minute. What? That's a bribe. That's a bribe. You can't do that. So Dopesplay gets, in terms of business integrity, an epic fail. Because in other words, they're pretty much saying that they know their product is garbage, but you got to give us a 5-star review to make everybody believe that our product is good. It's an expensive monitor. They range between $100 and $350 for an external monitor. Like if you want and they're not that big, they're small, battery powered and everything, and the remote type of thing. It's a clever concept, but you can't trick your customers in thinking your product is good based off of a fake review. If I give it a 1-star and it's the truth, they don't want that. They want me to lie, tell them that it's a 5-star product. I don't conduct reviews that way. I've never done reviews that way. So with this particular company right now, I'm pretty upset that they would actually even consider putting it in writing that this is what we need. You need to give us a 5-star review, then we'll give you money back. No. You send me the product for free, I'll give my honest review on it. If I don't like it, I don't use it. If I like it, I'll use it. Simple. I have products that I've gotten for free that suck ass. And I give them a shitty review and they're not happy, and then they make their product better. But they don't want to do it that way. They want me to lie to you. This company wants me to lie to you and tell you that this product is awesome, even though it sucks. That's wrong. Absolutely wrong and unethical, and I do not conduct reviews that way. I do not do stuff like that. I do not make money to fake you out, to make you think the product is good and it really sucks. No. Dopesplay gets a rating of 1 for their ethics. They suck, and even if their product is good, I would never go near them based on their ethics. Terrible. Anyway, guys, I've done enough to this company. Do not buy Dopesplay monitors based off of what I just told you. Regardless if their product is good or bad, we have no idea if it is or not, but I don't care at this point because their ethics suck. And I can't deal with a company that can't do things right. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.